My name is Farah Zaidi and I'm from the 2000 batch, that is the Millennium batch, and currently I'm working as the unit head for the credit risk in JS Bank. And today I'm here at the alumni dinner, and it's been so amazing. I mean, all the memories just came back rushing. The school, the teachers, I met my old teachers, and it was so amazing there. Some of the structures has really changed, but overall the feeling, the spiritual and the famous iconic slims and soup was just amazing. The bonfire we had here and the fireworks, it was all very good. And reconnecting with the school has always been very good, very emotional, and it was so overwhelming. I was crying and all the feelings that came rushing towards it's been 25 years long, but everything is just afresh. Whenever I see the buildings, the teachers, everything just came back. We all are friends. We're sitting here, we're playing the sports and everything. And I really missed it a lot, and it was such a great time today.